Welcome back to Proctor Tutors. In just 3 minutes, you'll master how to find the gradient of a straight line. Let's go. The gradient tells us how steep a line is. You'll often hear it described as rise over run, how much the line goes up or down for every unit across. In math terms, that's the change in y over the change in x. In math terms, that's the change in y over the change in x. Let's try an example. Find the gradient between 2, 3, and 6, 11. First, label the coordinates. Now plug into the formula. 11 minus 3 is 8, 6 minus 2 is 4. So 8 divided by 4 is 2. The gradient is 2. If the line goes down from left to right, your gradient will be negative, like this one, from 2, 6 to 6, 2. Your turn. Try this one and comment below. That's it. Gradient made simple. Hit like if it helped, and don't forget to subscribe.